Well, chicken nuggets. I mean, I heard about them today, and I had to go get them. I mean, I do like the Taco Bell, and you know, it is yum food. So these could just be like KFC chicken tenders fried at Taco Bell with some sort of Taco Bell like seasoning, and they're pretty good. A little spicy, pretty good. Can't complain. Anyways, I didn't eat all of them, you know, because I got like a ton of food, and so we'll just go ahead and bring these back and analyze them. Back to the lab. Man, I got a whole one. I mean, they were pretty good, so it's kind of a shame to waste a whole one. But I'm going to smash it up and put it into this tube right here. Let's see if I can. Alright, here we go. So I'm just going to like just crush it. There we go. Whole thing in the tube. We're going to extract with water. And then we're going to extract the water. But you can see this is some greasy stuff, but it's, you know, it's a fried chicken tender. Can you do? And with the water. Alright, then we're just gonna like vortex it. Really try to extract this chicken. And then I'll throw it in the Sonic Cave for a bit. Alright, it's pretty well extracted now. You can see it's kinda gross and goopy. Just kinda letting it settle out so I can avoid the chunks, but we do have a lot of murky color. There we go. Oh, it's got a good smell to it though. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to do about 500 microliters in each PCM. Liquid extract. So there they are, fish separated out. Good enough. Alright, off the centrifuge. Let's see how these split out. Hey, pretty good. Nice clean bottom layer, a little bit of an interface there, kind of chunky, but and then all the yellow colors in the top. It's gonna be perfect. Take the top layer. I'll just probably pull 200 microliters off the top as well here. This is gonna be the one for LCMS, non-quantitative. And then we're gonna dilute that with water. Alright, we got the Taco Bell chicken nugget, KFC chicken nugget, kind of, you know, potentially yum food chicken nugget on the Zevo. Q-top here. Untargeted. Metabolomics method. We're developing a chicken nugget method. As we got the T-Bell chicken nug. This is on that C18 method, using that oil adulteration method. I'm liking that method. Alright, so here we go. We're going to look in here. So here's the spectra. You can see these are like column contamination. We don't have to worry about this stuff. I'm not going to worry about this. This big blob right here is typically of a blobby thing like that. It's a bunch of peptides and proteins typically all mixed together from, you know, protein sources. And you can see they're multiply charged. So this is just a big blob of soluble peptides and proteins. All right, then in the front we have some small molecules we can look up here. Most notably like this 349. And then we got these two guys here. This 188 is pretty big. This 298 is pretty big. And so there's the masses for you to look up if you like. Well, let's go ahead and send this through MZ Mine. Got the MZ Mine here, and we'll do some untargeted. Alright, T-Bell, chicken nug data, exported the list here. There's a bunch of bad hits in here still too, so I really haven't focused a ton. First thing is glutathione. Glutathione I think is pretty, I mean maybe it's added, but that's a great thing to have there. Why not have some reduced glutathione? Anserin. Anserin is something we found before in chicken products. I think maybe, I don't know if I did a chicken nugget or what, but this is a dipeptide found in meat specifically from chicken, what does it say? From birds, from the muscles of birds, poultry. This is a great biomarker. Anytime I see anserin here, anserin's mass, right? It's this dipeptide, derivative of carnosine, of alanine and then methylhistidine mixed together here. So this is like my biomarker of the fact that it is chicken. They're at 240. So that's pretty solid. Alright, what else we got? We got tryptophan, everyone knows that. We found that before. We got sleepy. This is carnosine, regular carnosine from meat. Vitamin B5. We got some sucrose, more carnitine, acetylhistidine, arginine. These are pretty good hits. But that's not real, and that's not real. We got another carnage. It's just pretty solid. Meat, vitamins, sugar, tryptophan, and then it's definitely chicken. So, man, good job. All the top hits seem to make sense. I mean, this could be some pretty good chicken nuggets. I mean, I thought they were delicious. This is the full list. I'm sure tons of these peaks aren't real, but look at all this stuff that was identified. There's a lot to go through. All right, so if we sort this by intensity, not by the matched confidence here, then answerin's the most intense, which is great. That's that chicken biomarker. Purple isoleucine is another kind of modified amino acid here. Hey, the AI help you. Hey, look at that, poultry and meat. I mean, this is all looking good. One more cool hit is inosine. Inosine is like a nucleoside. It's found commonly in animal and fish meats. Man, inosine's in there. And then we're going down. I don't know what this guy is. Let's take a look at what this is. This is probably synthetic. Compound. What is this? As we found, this is that neopentoglycol dibenzoate. This looks like it is a food contact, indirect food additive, adhesive component of caseins. Substance for use only as component of adhesives. So this is like, I don't know where this is coming from. This is a indirect food contact adhesive component of coatings. I do not know. I'm still going to eat these things.